Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to display text over an image when you hover in Gutenberg using WordPress. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to add professional-looking image hover effects, perfect for making your site more interactive, eye-catching, and modern, all without any coding. If you want your images to reveal text or details when users mouse over them, stick around, because this is going to level up your WordPress skills in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. First, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, let your mouse glide down to Plugins and give that a click. Plugins are basically extra features you can add to your site. Now click Add New. This takes you to the huge plugin library, and we're going to search for a plugin called Image Hover Effects. Just type that into the search bar on the top right. After a moment, you should see a plugin called Image Hover Effects pop up in the list. Double-check the name to make sure you've got the right one, and then click the Install Now button. Wait a few seconds. Sometimes it takes just a little bit for WordPress to do its thing. Once it's ready, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that too. Activating turns the plugin on so your site can start using it. Next, we want to create our first hover effect. Usually, you'll now see a new menu item on your dashboard sidebar called Image Hover Effects. Click into that and look for an Add New option. This is where the fun starts. You'll be greeted with a gallery of different hover effect templates. Take your time scrolling through. Think about the vibe of your site. Do you want something sleek and subtle, or bold and attention-grabbing? Don't worry if you're not sure just yet. You can always change it later. When you find a style you like, select it. Now let's add your own images and the text you want to show on hover. This is the heart of the effect. Maybe it's the title and description of a service or a call to action over a product photo. Be sure to fill in the fields for both image and the text. This is what visitors will actually see when they interact. If you want, you can usually preview your effect here too, just to get a feel for how it'll look live. Before you move on, don't forget to click Save Changes or Publish, depending on what the button says. This will make sure all your hard work doesn't vanish if you click away. Once you save, you'll notice the plugin gives you a shortcode, a little snippet of text surrounded by square brackets. This code is what allows you to place your new hover effect anywhere on your site. Copy that shortcode and now head back to the main admin menu. Find Appearance, then click into Editor. This is the area where you can arrange how your site looks, kind of like an artist's canvas. Navigate to the page or template where you want your hover effect to appear. When you're ready, add a new block. Just click the plus icon, then search for shortcode. Select it and then simply paste in the shortcode from earlier. That's it. When you view your page, you'll see your image with your custom hover text live and ready to wow your visitors. And there you have it, a simple way to add interactive text over image hover effects using Gutenberg in WordPress. If a step didn't work out or you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help. If you found this walkthrough useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a WordPress tip or tutorial. See you next time.